Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Kasie, super excited to be here with all of you today. So attention all educators, administrators, and passionate teachers out there. So are you ready to take your teaching to the next level and find the perfect students to join your classes or your educational institution? Get ready. I am so excited to introduce you to Workee Pro Plan. Some of you may have seen my Workie video. If not, I will put it somewhere on the screen. But this tool is great for teachers and it has only gotten better. So, okay, what is Workie? Workie, I want to make sure you know it's workie.net. So www.workie, WORKEE.net. Okay, guys? So Workie is a software that's already helping somewhere around 6,000 freelancers and professionals to manage their businesses online, like private teachers, tutors, coaches, designers, freelance writers, just to name a few. So Workie creates a personal website with built-in booking, scheduling, and payments in, it says less than a minute. Part of it took me a minute. It was like, the whole setup was less than a few minutes. Even I connected my Stripe and PayPal and everything, and it was pretty super quick. You'll have to watch my other video on it to see how quick it is, but I'm not going to get into that today because I have more exciting things to tell you about. So Workie basically helps freelancers, freelance teachers, or all the people I mentioned earlier who already have clients or don't have clients yet. They can make appointments, payments, and more. So it's easy, it's streamlined. And according to Workie users, Workie saves about 10 hours per week and thousands of dollars per month. So when I read that, I was trying to figure out okay, where is that money coming from things? And I can think about two things off the top of my head. Like I used to use another program to do my scheduling. So you'd click on it, it would go to, one company for scheduling. And then you'd need another company, pay for them to do your store or collect payments or things like that. So having it all in one, it's easier and less expensive. So what is the difference between the starter and the pro plan? Let me just tell you a couple of differences. The starter plan, it's free, has no monthly payment. It says without a monthly subscription and 0 transaction fees from Workie. It is designed for professionals who are just getting started, and it includes basic templates for a personal website, 1 schedule for availability, 2 time slots for appointments, 2 Workie projects for one-time jobs and services, and 3 invoices per month. Okay. The Workee Pro Plan, the newest plan that just started today, is available with a monthly subscription, but it still has 0 transaction fees from Workie. So I thought that was great. The Pro Plan is perfect for professionals and active users seeking advanced features and customization options. All right, some more exciting news. All current Workie starter users will receive 100% free access to the Workee Pro Plan for 1 month. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about why the Pro Plan may be a great fit for you or for most of us teachers. The Pro website templates enhances the business branding with almost dozens of new professional templates and styles, custom colors, and branding. So some of us already have our brands. You can use that to make your website fit you, right? Custom SEO. SEO is so important nowadays. You want to get organic traffic and stand out with your branding. Set up custom titles, descriptions for your personal Workie website. Unlimited schedules, time slots, invoices, and projects. Professional booking rules. So limit when you can get the next booking. Add automatic breaks between calls and limit the maximum number of sessions per day. So you get to kind of enhance it your own way. All right, let's see. There's built-in video call from Workie, full support on Zoom and Google Meet video calls. Payments, I already mentioned, full integration with Stripe and PayPal for direct payment to your account. I am so excited. It's hard to talk. So let's see. How can you use Workie? You would use it to create a flexible schedule and many time slots for different sessions. You can get booked for sessions, lessons, and appointments. You can manage your clients and your students with the Workie Client Management System. Simple financing and invoicing with Workie. Manage work with Workie calendars and Workie timeline. And I already mentioned the Stripe and PayPal. So, all right. Workie, we already mentioned, is 0% fees for all your payments and transactions. You can get paid by your clients directly to your account. And I think that's it for the different starter plan versus the pro plan. So basically you have the basic features, you still have the 100% free software for the starter plan, but the pro plan is, powerful, ready for advancement, unlimited, and customer features. So you can do monthly or yearly for that one also. But you can upgrade your Workie account at any time. Workie projects. So Workie projects is great if you want to sell a package. For example, document translation, logo development, exam preparation courses. So you can manage different projects with Workie. You can share your files with clients and track the time you spend on the projects. I want to go over a couple more things that you do get with it. So Workie recurring calls. After a detailed analysis of all exciting solutions, Workie is rolling out a powerful feature that allows you to get booked and paid for many meetings in advance. So with Workie recurring calls, you can create a unique time slot for multiple meetings, and your clients can book you for several sessions in advance. And it just takes them like one click. So it's super easy for them. It's super easy for you. And Workie ensures that there's no meeting overlaps. So let's see. Advanced booking rules. As your business grows, your schedule may get out of control. So Workie's advanced booking rules is designed for the pro users, and it empowers you to manage your own schedule with unique availability rules. So you can set those rules. I am not going over everything. I'm just kind of touching on some of the exciting things. So for example, there's a new dashboard that has been kind of revamped for your business. Improved invoicing. They've even improved that over this short amount of time. Your personal website preview. So you can share your website with more personal features now. Progress bar for your Workie website. I think some of you saw that I still had a few things I could do on there. You can keep track of your progress with the Workie website builder more easily. And Workie will automatically show hints to help you build your standout website. And then the last thing I wanted to mention was new meetings page. The new meetings page prioritizes upcoming and ongoing meetings, making joining and scheduling meetings with Workie even simpler. So that was kind of a little overview of all the exciting and new things to come. So you want to go check out Workie. I will have the links below for you. Check out the Workie projects. I think that is really neat for anyone that likes to sell a service. And I'm just kind of trying to make sure I'm not forgetting any of this amazing stuff. So go ahead, check out their website. And I feel like it is going to be a little shortcut to your success. It's powerful and a simple software solution designed for freelancers and professionals like us teachers. And Workie has everything you need to make your business thrive. So go ahead, get on that website, check it out. Let me know in the description box below what you think about Workie. If you have any questions, ask me. As always, if I don't know the answer, I will look into it and try to find one for you. So, all right, everyone, as always, have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with whoever you think might need it. And I'll see y'all next time. Have a great one. Bye.